VO3 is here, and it's about to take your job.
VO3 is here, and it's about to take your job.
Unless you've been living under a rock, you would know that Google just released their best model yet, called VO3. This is a game changer. It literally changes the way people make movies. Hollywood at this point is endangered, I swear. Like, just look at these videos that I generated using VO3.
You know, Leo, some days it's just so much chasing. My claws are killing me.
Tell me about it. And the roaring? Exhausting.
I can't believe it. Since I was 6 years old, this is all I've ever dreamed of.
No.
We're all gonna die!
This can't be happening!
Sometimes.
Nothing feels truly solid, you know? Like I'm watching a script. I just need to find the way out to know what's actually real.
Okay, guys, you won't BE leave where the temporal jump landed me VHIS time.
Smells like...
Subscribe to Quantum Minds AI, where you learn everything, AI, and so much more.
You've got to admit, this is very impressive. Google has cooked up the best video generation model. And on top of that, it's a native audio video model, which means it's able to generate the audio inside of the model. It doesn't have to go outside. You don't have to go outside to get a lip sync or anything like that. This is just groundbreaking. Here is a trailer of a movie that is about to be made by Google DeepMinds using VO3 called Ancestra. Check this out.
This was supposed to be a checkup.
Crash C-section.
Baby's in distress. We need help here.
We need to go.
Is my baby gonna be okay?
We can do everything we can.
Am I gonna be okay?
For every creature that came before you, from every star that died so that you could begin.
Quick disclaimer, this wasn't all done by AI. It is Primordial Soup that used VO3 to generate some of the effects in that shot. So it is combining a camera and AI to produce such magnificent work. As you can see, just on point. These kind of effects take people months, downwards of years just to complete those kind of effects because they're just so complex and so much demanding. But you can generate them in a period of 2 to 3 minutes. Now let's take a look at what Google themselves presented at Google I/O 2025. This was just an amazing display of what VO3 can do. Check this out.
This town ain't seen nothing yet.
That is just a glimpse of what VO3 can do. This replaces VFX artists, ad managers, marketing agencies, content creators, and animators, because this is just that good. This is something that we never expected to see anytime soon, but here we are. We have it and we can use it. If you'd like to learn more about AI and how to use it, I'll let VO3 tell you.
Want to unlock the future? Subscribe to Quantum Minds AI. You won't regret it.